What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd jump on here and do a quick live video, and just to show you guys that before I always go for a wheel, I always check my fluids. So for example, we do the radiator, we check that, which I've already checked that. We always check the overflow as well, and the one major thing we always check too, make sure that big thing, that big hunk of metal, has always got oil in it. I checked mine this morning and mine's low, so I'm going to chuck some oil in that old girl and I'll be heading up the Tallarook Ranges. I'll pick you up when we get there, guys.
Here we go, guys, at the start of the first little bog hole. So at Bill's track right now, and as you can see right behind me, that's one of the challenges, but I hate to break it to you, but I've taken that one because that one there stops the big trucks. So it just goes to show you how big it is and how deep it is. So I'll keep you posted. We'll do some more filming and see how we go. Good on yous.
In-car video. Nice little deep one. Getting through it anyway. Done deal, ladies and gentlemen.
It's at this moment that you know you're fucked up. Yeah. Let's just hope that nothing happens.